What's up guys? Welcome to Cook and Capture. Today we are making most ordered dish of restaurants, a Indo-Chinese recipe, dry Gobi Manchurian. Have you ever tried making it? If not, try now. First start with blanching cauliflower florets. Take a pan, pour water and heat it. Now add 1 teaspoon salt and cauliflower florets, blanch it for 3 minutes and drain the water. For the batter, take a mixing bowl, add half cup maida, half cup corn flour. Take both in same quantities. Salt to taste, pepper 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Now add the water gradually and mix well. Make it into a semi-thin batter. Now add the blanched florets and coat with the batter evenly. For frying, take a pan, heat oil, drop the coated florets one by one in medium hot oil. Fry the florets until it turns into golden brown. Now take it out. Again heat the oil in high flame. Drop the florets and fry once again for more crispy texture and take it out. For the sauce preparation, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 chopped onion, half chopped capsicum, pinch of salt and mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons green chili sauce and 2 tablespoons red chili sauce. Mix well. Now add half cup corn flour slurry and mix well. Now quickly add the fried florets and coat it in the sauce evenly. Gobi Manchurian is ready to serve. Take it into a serving plate. Enjoy with your family and friends.